trial tournament here for the Indian national women's side that are going to play the inaugural T20 World Cup, the Seven Nation World Cup beginning in the month of November 11th. But yeah, very, very important now to talk about the toss representation here. To my far right, of course, is Anish, and to his left is Mr. Thomas from Cricket Association of the Blind in Kerala, and to his left is Mr. Dilip, the umpire as well, and to the left of Dilip is Sukram Maji, the coach of the East Zone, and next to my right is the Tigress here with us. It's Phula Soren, the captain of East Zone. She'll be a happy captain because both the matches have been won very, very convincingly. But on to my left is Simu Das. Yeah, she wants to put up that first win today because they have lost all the matches that they have played the North Zone. Very tough, but they will want to put up a good fight as well. And to the left of Simu Das is Rambir Singh, the coach of North Zone. And on to his left is the tournament director, Mr. Lokesh. Right, that's the toss representation. But more importantly, this is Investnet. So as we all know, yeah, Investnet is one of the biggest financial advisors in the world. And yeah, most of the banks and the brokerage firms depends for the growth of them into the Investnet firm. So that is what it is, the financial advice. So we'll have to see what advices the coach have given their captains. But on to the Suma for the toss as well. Phula Soren is having the toss in her hand, and Simu Das will be calling. Phula, I request you to please flip the coin on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go for it.
Head.
Heads is the call. Mr. Dilip? It is heads. Okay, Simu Das, you won the toss. क्या करना चाहेंगे?
हम बैटिंग करना चाहेंगे.
Wonderful. And as I said, the financial advice, of course, has been given by Investnet. But what advice did Rambir Singh give you yesterday?
He just told us to feel well. The misfield which we have done yesterday, it should not be done today.
Lovely. And most important factor for the North Zone where you guys are struggling is the bowling department. What is the change that's going to happen in the bowling department? Is there any change in the team today?
Yeah, instead of B3 we have put on B2 because we have only 2 B3. So we need to give chance for everyone. It doesn't only the person who can play only can play. So we have given chance for everyone. So we have changed today. Instead of B3 we have put B2.
Wonderful. Last question. East Zone, very, very strong side. You know what Phula Soren, Basanti, Rachna Jena and Jilly, everybody can do. I'm sure you have your plans against them to each player, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Ah, right. You have the plan. That's what we want to see. And I know you will not tell the plan in the mic. You will execute it on the ground. I will not ask you that question at all. But wonderful. Right. Phula Soren, टॉस हार गए परवाह नहीं, लेकिन 2 मैच की जीत कितनी आपको हौसला और मनोबल दिया है अभी इस टूर्नामेंट में?
हमको अभी बात मतलब अब हम जो हमारे प्लेयर लोग जो डरे थे अभी उनको कॉन्फिडेंट है वो लोग जीत पाएंगे.
बिल्कुल. और क्योंकि 2 मैच आपने जीत लिया है अभी, तो कुछ चेंजेस किया है साइड में, किसी और को चांस देने का या मौका देने का कुछ वो डिस्कशन हुआ था कल सुकराम माजी के साथ, या वही साइड खेल रहा है आज भी?
आज थोड़ा सा चेंज है, एक B1 आ रहा है.
बिल्कुल बढ़िया. और सिमू दास, आपको पता है इंडिया का बेस्ट B1 बैटर है, बहुत अच्छी कैप्टन भी बन रही है अभी, तो उनके टीम के बारे में क्या लग रहा है? क्योंकि 2 मैच वो हार गए, तो आज पासा पलट सकता है, तो आप तैयार हो उनके चैलेंज के लिए?
हाँ, उनका टीम भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है, लेकिन हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे सबको ऑल आउट करने के लिए.
अरे बढ़िया, wonderful. That is the news here. That is what the teams are discussing all about. So the news from the center, of course, is the North Zone have won the toss and they want to bowl first. And we will come in with the first ball to going in for this very bat first. And the first ball will be coming in very, very soon. Stay tuned.